What we're doing today on the pellet grill is we got some quail and we got some lamb steak. Now I got it set to 200 of course the temperature dropped because I had this open for a while. And then what I'm gonna do, guys, after I get about an hour of smoke on here, I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up to about 275. Then I'm gonna put direct heat. I'm gonna turn the lamb on the fatty part right here, get a nice sear. Might turn it up to 300. And what I'm gonna do, I probably leave the quail up there because quails are very, very small. All right, so we out here, got the probe set to there. So it's about 125, 126. I don't know if that probe is correct. I'm gonna get my other probe and check it manually. You can see the quails are doing nicely. Go ahead and flip the quails over. Right, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up, and I'm just gonna recheck the lamb, make sure that it's all right, and if it's hitting at that temperature, we're just gonna sear it. All right, so let's go ahead and crank this all the way up. Not that long now, guys, not that long now. See, it's smoking out here. Right now we at 358, so I ain't gonna let it even get up to 500. You can go ahead and sear this right quick. Just to get some grill marks on there, guys. Hear that? That little sizzle. I'm gonna put the quails on there a little bit too, just to get a little bit more color on the quails. Put them on. All right, guys, so this is how it look off the grill. This is the quail. Go ahead and just cut that right down the middle. Y'all can see that quail is done through and through. Done through and through. Quail look good. That's how that lamb came out. So you can see them juices. Let it sit here resting. And look at that, man. Look how perfect that is. Got this new blade in today. The chopping board. You see how I left that stem of that rosemary in there? Just to get a little hint of flavor. Look how juicy that is. Watch this. All that moisture. Oh, your boy. At it again, man. That grill does it every time. Look plated, guys. Look at all those colors popping out. Chopped up plums. Chopped up iceberg lettuce and kelp. To go with that lamb and quail. The pellet grill done it again.